stoły, o mijają góry lasy doły, we're drunk. Sup? This is Andres Felipe. Go check out his channel.
Don't send me Andres. I don't send me Sky.
Driver 85, his channel.
A la calle no vaya. Ay.
And this is a Sebas. And this is a Mia.
King of headphone.
Yes, thank you.
Headphone.
Got a problem?
No. I was Argentine and I thought that it was king of iPhone.
You are Asian?
Damian, we're ready. You know the plan?
Yes, I know the plan. Kill Juan Jose.
Okay,
Let's do it. Let's do
We
it.
have to throw him.
We're at a volcano called IRAZU with a field trip from my school.
It's so cold.
I'm so really? It's so beautiful.
No, con la cámara de Sofía.
I'm not even recording that way. Alright, so we're walking, and I'm with Sky here, and we have to go on the sidewalk. But yeah, this is amazing. This place is amazing. I really want to walk on that. I don't know why, I just do. So yeah, we're going to a volcano right now. And when we get there, I'll record. So, Sky, what you say?
I want to see the volcano. It's over there. We're not crying out the crater, honestly.
I know. Well, yeah, we're gonna see the crater though. We're gonna see it. We're not gonna go into it. We're gonna die if we go into it. So, yeah.
The logic.
Yeah, logic. So yeah. Oh my God, really? Some of the people in my class got drunk last night. We'll see you guys when we're at the crater. Hi. So we're walking, aren't we?
Yeah.
Logic, we're walking.
Yep.
Step by step. We wanted to walk here all the time. It's like a desert, but the sand is brown. And yeah. So when we get there, when me and Sky get to the crater, then we'll see you guys there. The crater is down there. It sucks we can't see it. Really? I really want to see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't see it from here. But if you guys can see it, then yeah. It sucks how we can't see the crater or the acid itself because it's not filled with lava. Like at the top, it's like acid. I really wanted to actually see it. Yeah, it's filled with acid, like the top. And then at the bottom, it's like magma and stuff. Congrats, you're on YouTube. Hola. Hola. Oh, Joel, really? Alright, I have no idea where we're going, but when we get to where we're going, I will record.
You're recording.
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
Ay, Sebastián. Venga, no me diga que no. ¿Acaso que le estoy preguntando qué se quiere? Ok, vean. Miss Irene, ¿usted me puede ayudar a traducir a Damian? Ok, por aquí está. Ah, bueno, ahí está Andrés Felipe, pero tranquila, yo cualquier cosa. Ok. Vean, chicos. Eso que dice Rosa, menos oxígeno. Eso se llama presión atmosférica. La presión atmosférica, la temperatura son elementos climáticos. La altura es un factor climático. Entonces la altura va a ser que...
We're in the next location. It is actually really loud and no one can hear you. You guys probably can't hear you.
Vea, dice, vea.
So loud! Hey!
Pequeño, el
Hey!
que hacía.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Eso yo te vi que hacía.
Ese era mío, una cueva, Mike.
My old friend.
Hey! Hey!
Hey. Ah!
We're at the next location, and we have some free time here. But in the meanwhile, look at this beautiful view. It's amazing. I love it. Look at that. Field trip. Let's go. This is a real field trip here. So beautiful. So beautiful. All right, where are we going now? Do you know where we're going now? I don't know as well, but when we're in the next location, yeah, we'll see you at the next location. All right, guys, so it's the next day, as you can see, and I'm ending the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and also my new uploading schedule is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I hope you guys like it better, like my new uploading schedule a little bit better, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please punch that like button in the face. Kick that subscribe button in the face. Also, be sure to press that notification button down below, that notification bell down below, and join the notification squad. And also, be free to comment down below whatever you want. I might reply to some of your comments if you type in down below #notification squad and you press the notification bell button. I will reply 100%. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Help me.